So in this video, you'll learn how to enable auto update on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So if you don't want to continuously be checking for any software updates manually and you want to leave that to be done automatically, what you can do is just navigate to settings. Once you're in settings, you're going to scroll and select the option software updates. And then from here, you should see auto download. Tap on it. Currently, it's set to never, which means that it's turned off. But if you want to turn it on, you have two options. You have use Wi-Fi only, and you have using Wi-Fi or mobile data. If you choose to select Wi-Fi only, it now means that whenever you're connected to a Wi-Fi network, your device will automatically be scanning for any updates that are available and even install them. If you choose to use Wi-Fi, select the option using Wi-Fi or mobile data, then it just means that as long as you have an internet connection, it will automatically scan for any nearby updates. So it's up to you to decide which option you'd prefer to use on your Galaxy Z Fold 7. And once you've made your choice, you can just close the settings app with the changes being applied. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.